So today we are going to see about data science. So what is data science? Data science means searching and collecting data in the internet, and then second one is data cleaning, and then third one is data transmission or data preparation, converting unstructured data into structured data, and then analyzing the data, and then or exploring data analysis, checking whether the data is correct or not. Data modeling, applying machine learning concepts. Visualization and communication, meeting with the client, and then deploying the content. We are giving the content to the client. And then the next thing is data science processes: discovery, data preparation, model planning, and then model building, and then operation, and then communicate results, and then the process will go on like this. Why is data science? Here are significant advantages using data analytics technology. Data is the oil for today's world. Meaning data science is the important for this world. And then with right tools, technologies, algorithms, and then we can use data and convert it into a distinctive business advantages. Data science can help you detect fraud using advanced machine learning algorithms. These algorithms are used in Google, and then Gmail, and then lots of things. It helps you to prevent any significant monetary losses, which means money losses, and then allows to build intelligence ability in machines. You can perform sentiment analysis to gauge customer brand loyalty. It enables you to take better and faster decisions. If they are the right customer or they are the fraud customers, like that, it will help us to take faster decisions, and then helps you to recommend the right product for the right customer, and then for enhancing for our business. Why we have to learn data science using Python? Python is an optimal language choice for beginners, which means it is too easy for beginners. And then in C++ and all, we have to give a header file, and then main function, and then open and close curly braces, and then lots and lots of things. In Python, we have to give only print a hello world. And then in C++, we should give scene, cout, and then hello world, like that. Python enables quick improvement and can interface with high performance algorithms written in Fortran or C. It is also commonly used in data mining, web development, and in scientific computing, and a lot of other areas. Libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, and Seaborn are used more in this Python. NumPy is the more fundamental module for scientific computing with Python. NumPy provides the support of highly optimized multi-dimensional arrays, which are the most basic data structure of most machine learning algorithms. The next essential one is Pandas. Matplotlib, another one of Python project packages. Matplotlib helps us to draw graphs, and then scatter type graphs, and then lots of things. And then it has Python has captured an image with data science community. And then these are data science components: domain expertise, and then data engineering, and then advanced computing, and then visualization, and then statistics, which is mean by we are using machine learning algorithms, and then maths concepts. And then data science analytics, statistics. Statistics is the most critical unit of data science basics. It is the method or science of collecting, analyzing numerical data in large quantities to get useful insights, which means we can convert large quantity data into short data, which means shortening the links. Example is shortening the links, and then we can easily analyze the data, and then we will normally convert that raw data into the structured data. Visualization technique helps us to access huge amount of data and easy to understand and digestible visuals. Machine learning. Machine learning explores the building and study of algorithms which learn to make predictions about unforeseen and future data, like predicting the weathers, predicting the Google's investment. I'm just saying these for examples. Google's investment losses and the investment profits, and then something like that. Deep learning. Deep learning method is new machine learning research where the algorithms select the analysis model to follow. Before I've said you right, the machine learning will help us to find the right customers for our business. That is mean by deep learning. Yeah. And then the next one is data science. What is data? Data is a collection of information. So these data are of two types, which means structured data and then unstructured data. Structured data will be a structured data with data science components, and then a raw data is an unstructured data, which means it will be having some bad data, and then raw data, and then unwanted data, and then lots and lots of things like that. And then we'll see how to structure data. We can use an array or a table to structure or present data. This is an example of an array: 80, 85, 90, 95, and then extra. And then we can give a Python program to print this array in a correct format like this. Array 85, 90, 95, and then last number we have changed that. And then these things are the same. And then we'll give us array, print array. And then this is how to structure data. Yeah. And then unstructured data looks like this. The data will be mismatched, and then it will not match any colors, and then unstructured data is not recognized. We must organize the data for analysis process using the data science components, those domain expertise, and then statistics, and then etc. Unstructured data, example of unstructured data. Yeah, this is the thing. I've said you right. It will be mismatched, and then the colors will be different. Yeah. Data science and Python. Python is a programming language widely used by data scientists. Python has built-in mathematical libraries and functions like NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, which means scientific Python, and then numerical Python, and then Matplotlib. And then these modules will make Python language easier to calculate mathematical problems and then to perform data analysis. Now we'll go into the practical examples using Python. Yeah, count the number of columns using pandas. Import pandas as PD. We are importing the module pandas, and then this is the variable, and then we are giving column. This is a dictionary, and then we are giving column and then a variable, and then here some datas, and then CO again a variable, and then some datas, and then into that some divisional methods, and then YF is equal to pd.count underscore column. So here we'll give count underscore column because we have to count the columns, and then here we have to give 1 into the brackets YF.shape, the variable with a shape predefined function, and then we'll print the number of columns and then print columns. And then the next thing is counting the rows. Just here we are changing this thing as 0, and then here we are using a predefined method, YF.shape. Yeah, that's all. This is changes as 0. Yeah. The max function. This predefined functions helps us to find the maximum, which means a greater number in the array, and then for example here 125 is the greater number in this array. So when I give a underscore m, which is the variable, and then is equal to max and then sum of the variables, and then print am, it will print 125, which means the greater number. The min function. We are just changing the predefined function here as min, and then it will give the least number in the array. Yeah. Here, for example, it is 80. Yeah, and then opening CSV file. I think I have uploaded a video using this. We are again importing the module pandas, and then we are giving read_csv predefined function. And then, for example, if you store this thing, this data.csv file in your desktop, you have to give your laptop's username, and then which means C colon and then username and then desktop and then preferred file name, and then header is equal to 0, and then separation is equal to comma, which means we are using a comma to separate all of the data, and then print HD for printing the data.csv file. Yeah, and then the next thing is program to draw the graphs. Import sys, which means this box, and then import matplotlib to draw these graphs, and then matplotlib.useAgg. In some of the computers, AGG method won't work, and in some of the computers it will work. So the computers won't accept AGG. It will automatically take out the AGG from the program. And then next we are importing the pandas module, and then next matplotlib.pyplot predefined function, and then h_d is equal to pandas.read_csv, and then again we are giving that data.csv file, and then hd.plot, which means now the lines concept is occurring here. X is equal to average_pulse. X means x-axis, and then y means y-axis, and then kind is equal to line. Here, if we give a scatter, it will give some dots, and then here we have given line, so it has printed the output using line. And then these things are for the graph, and then plt dot show, because we are using to show the graph, and then if we don't use this function, it will not show the graph. So we are using this to save this in the compiler. Yeah, and then defining the mathematical function in Python. This is the mathematical function written to $x and then plus 80. Here x is a calorie burnage variable in the CSV file, which I have shown data.csv, and then we are multiplying that with 2 plus 80. 80 means average pulse, another variable in the data.csv file. Yeah, the mean function. It will calculate all the means of this array. It is called standard deviation. And importing, because this is a mathematical calculation, we are importing numerical Python, and then calorie underscore burnage is equal to some of these numbers, and then a underscore c underscore b is equal to np.mean. Here we are applying the concept of these things. Mean is a predefined function. I have said to you, right? It will calculate the mean. Calculating mean of the calorie burnage. Sorry, I have given here as print average underscore calorie underscore burnage, because this variable's full form is this thing. So when writing the program, don't give as average underscore calorie underscore burnage. Just give the variable which you have preferred here. Yeah, and then program to display the maximum rows and columns. So it will show the maximum rows and columns, which means, for example, if I give the column as 80, 125, and then the row as 80, 125, 225, and then it will show the maximum column is 125, and then the maximum row is 225, which means the greater number. So that we are using describe function here, and then to display the maximum columns, we are using set underscore option here. Yeah, and then this is the standard deviation method I have said before, and then sigma is equal to O, which means the formula, and then import pandas as PD, and then import numpy as MP, and then f underscore h underscore d is equal to pd.read underscore csv. Again, we are reading that data.csv file, and then np.std, which means standard deviation. Std is a predefined function to find the standard deviation. Full underscore health underscore data, which means the full form of this variable, but when writing the program, you should put the preferred variable that you like here. And then we are giving print std because this variable here, and then we are printing that std. Yeah. And then thank you. This is the end of the presentation. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and then if you like this video, please give a like to this video. And then if you have any doubts about data science and then Python and then artificial intelligence prerequisite courses, you can you can ask me, not too shy for that. And then bye.